What's going on, guys? Up7 here. Today is going to be a review of a couple pretty cool cars that I have come across and purchased or have been given to me as gifts recently. I got some interesting Porsches. Most of them are 911s. I got one other, but I figured Porsche is one of my favorite car manufacturers, and it'd be kind of fun to open all of these in one video instead of with the bundles that I bought them with. Like, for instance, I got one of these cars with a couple others. I figured I'd save all the Porsches for their own video. Starting off, let's just jump into the cars. Is this Porsche 911 GT3 RS from 2012. This is during the heat of the Team Hot Wheels advertising and that whole promotion that they did with like the 4 different teams and the 4 different drivers. Yeah, not much to this car. I mean, it's just a 911 GT3 RS. It's black and orange. Typically you see this color, like a black 911 with a red accent. This one's orange, which I thought was kind of interesting. Part of the showroom assortment for 2013. This was back when you could scan to collect them with the QR codes. I don't think you can still do that, but nonetheless, it was kind of fun for a little bit. Yeah, I think you can still scan the QR codes to add them to collection, but there isn't that Hot Wheels Showdown video game that you could scan them in anymore, or that app. But this one I'm going to leave in the packaging, as well as each of the other cars as well. I'm going to be leaving them in the packaging today, but I am going to be showing you guys a car that I opened in the next video that I'm going to be doing a custom for. But yeah, got headlight detail, plastic body, plastic base, metal body. This GT3 RS decal, as well as the spoiler, which is metal and part of the casting. And you got some roll cage detail in the cabin too. No taillight detail. This is kind of a weak paint job other than the Porsche logo, which is pretty cool. PR 5-spoke wheels. Nice little car. Next up, from 2014, the following year, is another 911 GT, but this is a 993 GT2 in red. I think this is a beautiful car. It's got the wide body kit on it with the rivets. You got Porsche, the Porsche logo. The separate headlights are very, very cool. The headlights are actually part of the base, and they are part of the cabin glass, and they are plastic and separate from the body. You got a little intake scoop. You got rivet detail on the hood. This cool little side skirt, and very cool rear spoiler with the dual exhaust. Another metal body, plastic base car. This is from the Hot Wheels City assortment for 2014. I don't know why this wouldn't be in the showroom assortment, because it's much more valuable than the 911 GT3 RS that I reviewed previously. I think this is the first year of the logo change, when they switched from this logo to this one. This is the current Hot Wheels logo, and I like it very much. But yeah, this is a nice car. I'm going to be adding this to my nicer Porsche collection. Third is this, I think it's just a 911. A Porsche 911 Carrera from this year. This is from the year 1998. Well, if that's the case, then I wonder if I don't think this is what the 911 looked like, but this is a Porsche 911 Carrera. This is one of the fatter cars that Hot Wheels has produced. This thing is really wide and very heavy. It's metal on metal. It's part of the Extreme Speed series, number 3 of 4 for 1998. This car is 22 years old. You got gold 5 spokes. I actually think the paint job sucks. It's got this like checkered flag striping with like a weird, I don't know what that is, liquid dirt bike town. Okay, it's kind of weird. I have an up close version of this car that I can show you. This is a loose version of that I own. This is a very heavy car, but yeah, same car. And I actually have a physical model of that 911 GT3. Yes. So here's a unboxed version of it. This one has headlight detail, and the spoiler is actually plastic. Moving on to the last car. Last but not least, we have this, a 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo. I actually own this car. I have an 87 924S, which isn't, I don't own a 944 Turbo, but it is actually the same The same platform, the transaxle front engine drive, rear wheel drive Porsche. Very cool that they just released this for 2020. I saw 3 of these and picked them up and I thought it was crazy. I'm like, oh my god, I cannot believe they made my car in red. But I am going to be working on my first custom that the channel has seen. On the other unboxed 944 Turbo that I got, I'm going to be doing a lot of steps to turn it into a 924S and make it look like mine, hopefully. But I will document that. I've already started that the video in the project, but it won't be up for another couple weeks, most likely due to editing reasons and the fact that I'm not finished with the project yet. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Subscribe for more videos. I got another Hot Wheels lot coming up on the way pretty soon, maybe even before next weekend. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.